What's up, goddess gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are unboxing our Saviland nail extension kit. This is acrylic, you guys. I'm excited. I love it. Comes with the dapping dish, the acrylic liquid, super tiny powders, which is okay. It even has a brush in there. So let's go ahead. It says 100% vegan and cruelty free, low order, and non-toxic. What do you guys think of that? I'm excited to see. How are you guys doing? Have you guys been enjoying these unboxings lately on my channel? And have any of you guys used this before by Saviland? I smell a strong monomer smell, so I'm just gonna assume that it's this, but let's check. No, it must be monomer smell that I already have in here, because this is sealed. Okay. Typically it's best to try to keep this little thing inside the cap for when you close it again. I do like that it's fully sealed. That's great. Let me see. Wow, very low odor. I've been using acrylic for a little bit today, so it kind of smells like monomer here. We have a super hefty, thick dapping dish. It's pretty thick, you guys. Wow, this is the one that came in the Born Pretty kit. So that's cool. We got a little brush. Let's see how this goes. This hair looks good. Wow, it feels good. This one might be a decent brush. It looks like it could be. It's definitely not numbered, and it's small. It's mini. I like that. We have clear. We have nude. And we have pink. In the kit, we will also receive a little pamphlet. And okay, it goes through all the information, and we have nail forms, nail forms, a mini file, and a cuticle pusher. Very nice. I'm actually really happy they didn't waste their time including any dual forms, because those dual forms, sometimes they're a hit, sometimes they are a miss. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these acrylics right on this. I've been using it to swatch lately, and I like the fact that they come with this little thing in here that keeps them from spilling everywhere. Okay. Let's see. The nude one is getting my attention a lot, because I'm like, how does it look? I really want to try it. It would probably be easier to use like this would be great. Okay. And the white. Or wait, this is clear. This one didn't come with white. Okay. And let's go ahead and swatchy. Drop some nail design ideas down below for me, because I will be needing them. I'm really intrigued by this nude color. Like, I really want to try it. Okay. Now, I don't know. I usually use crimped brushes. Like, if you see my brush, it's crimped. I don't usually use... I need to crimp this, like... whatever. Anyways, you guys. Alright, we're going to try the pink. Okay, I like the pink. It's very solid. It's giving. I really like this. These look like full coverage. And we're going to see the clear. Okay. This is super nice. The brush, I don't know, it might be 𝑘olinsky, you guys. It truly may be 𝑘olinsky. Maybe not super 𝑘olinsky, but it's not giving the same vibe as the brushes from the Born Pretty unboxing. If you guys caught that video, it's definitely giving more professional vibes, more usable vibes, as you guys can see. But that was the unboxing for the Saviland acrylic powder kit, and I like it. I really do. You guys have seen me use a Saviland acrylic powder before on my channel. I used the glow in the dark powders and I loved them. I really love these ones too. Love the Dappin Dish. I love how thick it is. The glass is thick, sturdy, and I like the brush. So I'm going to be using this kit soon to create a nail set for you guys, and I'm really looking forward to it. This is definitely quality. Like, I'm really big on quality, not quantity. And a little goes a long way when you have colors that give full coverage. And as you guys can see, these colors are definitely giving full coverage. Like, that pink is not translucent at all, and neither is the nude color. Now the nude color is a bit like very pink, I guess. I almost would call it like a light pink and a dark pink, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Drop some comments down below and let me know what you think. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed already and you would like to be notified every single time I upload, then go ahead and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. We'll go ahead and create a nail set with this kit very soon and give you guys my overall thoughts. It looks and feels very, very, very beginner friendly, which from my experiences, Saviland is a great brand. I give them 2 thumbs up, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys in a new video soon. I'll holla y'all. Peace.